So if you want to convert these 590 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you can do that. What you need to know first is that 1 atmosphere, that's 760 millimeters of mercury. This is our conversion factor, and we'll use it when we convert our 590 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So we're going to multiply by our conversion factor. We want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So let's put the 760 millimeters of mercury here on the bottom, the denominator. That way they'll cancel out. And we want to end up with atmospheres. So 1 atmosphere, let's put that in the numerator. So you can see now when we multiply, we have millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom. They're gone. We're left with atmospheres. So it's just 590 divided by 760. We get 0.7763. Let's just call it 0.776. And the units, those are the atmospheres. That's all that's left up there. That's how we know we did it right. It's Dr. B converting 590 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.